Hello, my dear students. Today we will take some examples of conservation of momentum. You already know conservation of momentum, the definition of the conservation of momentum, which I already discussed with you, and equation. I will write here again the equation for conservation of momentum. That means m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. It means that when the collision happens between the two bodies or more bodies, their momentum before the collision and after the collision remains same. We will give you some examples. Example number 1. If a gun fires a bullet having mass 20 gram. It is the mass of the bullet, and or you can say the mass of the gun is 2 kilogram. The bullet fired from the gun the bullet fired from the gun with a velocity of 150 meter per second. For example, what is the recoiling velocity? What is the recoiling velocity of gun? What is the recoiling velocity of the gun? We will take these values according to the equation. For example, m1, it is the mass of the bullet, that is 20 grams. If you convert the gram, because gram is not SI unit of mass, but kg is the SI unit of mass, then 20 gram are converted into kilogram. That means it is 0.02 kg. It is the mass of the bullet, or you can say bullet. If you say velocity u1, it is the velocity of the bullet, the initial velocity. That means at first both the gun and the bullet, they are at rest. That means the initial velocity of the bullet, it is 0 meter per second. If we take the value of the gun, m2, it is the mass of the gun having 2 kg mass. u1 u2 again equal to, because first they are at rest, it is 0, and these are the first values. Then after the gun fires a bullet, after that the velocity of the bullet becomes v1, that is equal to 150 meter per second, and v2, it is the velocity of the gun, or final velocity of the gun. We have to calculate it. We put these values in the equation. That means m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Put these values in this. That means m1 is 0.02 kg into 0 plus 2 into 0 is equal to m1, that means 0.02. If we first we calculate this, the any term multiplied by 0 is equal to 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. That means the whole left hand side becomes equal to 0 is equal to, now m1 v1 plus m2 v2. m1, it is the mass of the blood, that means 0.02 kg. v1, what is the velocity v1? It is into 150 meter per second. It's the v1 plus m2, it is 2 kg, 2 into v2, 2 into v2, that means 2v. Because we have v2, we have to calculate. The whole is equal to 0. Is equal 0 is equal to, if you calculate the product of 0.02 into 150, it becomes equal to 3 plus 2v, because or 2v2, whatever it is, 2v2 for example, it is 2 into v2. Now I will write the whole term here. 0 is equal to 3 plus 2 v2. v2, it is the velocity of the recoiling velocity of the gun. We have to calculate. Now if we look towards this, when the gun fires the bullet, if the gun fires the bullet, if it is the gun, it fires the bullet towards this direction from A to B. For example, left to right, it is in one direction, that means from left to right. When recoiling means, according to the third law, every action there is equal and opposite reaction. The gun recoils back, that means it is the direction opposite, that means A to C. For example, if we take A to B as positive sign, from left to right it is positive sign, and A to C it is negative sign, then because it is opposite to the direction of the movement of the this bullet, then 0 is equal to 3 plus 2 v2. Then we will move towards this. 3 will be moved towards the 0, that means 3, it will become minus, because it is here plus, it will become minus, divided by 2, and we will put v here, v2 here. That means v2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. It is equal to minus 1.5 meter per second. That is v2 is equal to minus 1.5 meter per second. It is the velocity, recoiling velocity of the gun. Why minus? Because it is in opposite direction. It was the first example. Thank you.